Hello guys, welcome back to the Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis, technical analysis over on Novavax, ticker NVAX. So to get straight into it, we can see we're currently at around $9.50. And what we can actually also see is, we only hit our 52-week low basically yesterday. 850, 52-week low, starting to get a bit of a bounce off this. And again, this is probably just on anticipation of earnings coming up. So what are going to be key support and resistances going forward? What am I paying attention to? So from the support side, this is something I'm not really looking to trade. Reason for that is, firstly, where do we have supports? So I've only got one support, well, kind of two, but they're at the exact same level. On the 6 month, we have the 120 statistical mean. On the 1 year, we have the 115 statistical mean. So this can be used as support if you come down to this kind of low. But really, if we're coming down to this kind of low, considering this stock's already gone from, if you go on to the longer term, about $91 down to, $8 in the space of a year, I don't want to keep buying this, or I wouldn't want to be buying a stock like this. Because again, if a stock sells off that much, there is a fundamental issue in the company. So really, it's not something I want to be buying. Even from a trading perspective, I don't really want to be holding this overnight when the strong downtrend is still downtrending. So what are key things then I'm paying attention to instead? So resistances, and I think this is really going to be where I look to trade this stock if I trade it at all. And that's going to be from the 1850, going high would be the $23.50, breaking past there would be $35.75, going on to $46.53, 68.70, and a final one at 90. So coming into these resistances, this is really where I'm going to be looking to trade. The first time we come into these levels, basically all I'm looking to do is hit them short bias. Again, if I'm day trading it, I'm just hitting, as soon as we hit this level, basically just looking to trade that short and get in and out quite quick. If I'm looking to swing it, and again, this is a stock I can definitely look to swing trade because there is options available. I'd never really swing, I would never swing unless they have options available. Because I don't want to be holding a naked short overnight. But if it comes into this level, again, I'm just trading it through most likely a credit or debit spread. Because, again, if we're coming into these kind of levels, at least the first time we come into these levels, at a minimum, I expect a pullback. Again, can get an overall reversal, and if so, cool, it makes the trade even better. But if it's just a pullback, again, we can still profit on that. And that's why we tend to move our stops on the pullbacks, because, again, it could only be a pullback and then the uptrend continues. But if it is an overall reversal, again, we still want to be holding some for that. So really, that's all I'm paying attention to these levels. The first time we hit them, looking to trade at short bias. If we end up pulling back, coming back to retest them, again, I'm out of the position, waiting for it to break, come back to test that level then as a support. So again, pull back, retest, break, support. If it holds, then I'm looking to play it to that next level, which in this case would be 23.50. So again, that's the only time I'm really going to be looking to trade the stock short bias, is if it can break a deviation, show me it's got holding as a support, and then we can trade the next target. Again, probably not something I'll be looking to day trade unless it makes the clear retest during the day, and then I might look to trade it. But really, it'd be something I look to swing trade, and this is probably when I look to trade the outright options. Again, just buying a call. If it can come into here, hold it as a support, then potentially getting some good call options as long as the premiums aren't too expensive going over. But anyway, that is the breakdown on Novavax. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.